What's up guys, I hope everybody is doing fine. In this video I'm going to show you on how to use the Ford Everstrand cruise control. The 2020 Ford Everstrand is equipped with cruise control. This video will show you on how to use it. While driving, press the cruise button on the steering wheel. Speed up to your desired speed and press the set button on the steering wheel. When cruising, you can take off your foot from the gas pedal. However, for safety purpose, make sure your foot is positioned on top of the brake pedal ready to brake. When cruising, stepping on the gas pedal will override the set speed, but will return to the set speed after you take off your foot from the gas pedal. Stepping on the brake will reset the set speed, but the cruise control will be on standby. To return cruising, speed up again to your desired speed, and press again the set button. Thank you for watching guys, that's all I have for this video. So please take extra caution in using the cruise control.